Oh my goodness. Okay, so I wanted to kind of talk about it before my husband got back, because I'm pretty sure when he comes back we're just going to pretend like nothing happened and keep going with our day. But I broke our TV. And that's why my eyes are, I don't know if you could tell if they were red or whatever. I put some makeup on so my eyes didn't look so red and puffy, or I didn't look so upset. Because I'm like, you know what, let's just cool off. You go get a new TV and I'll just stay home and we can just take a break. Because it wasn't like he was mad at me, but you know, it's like, it's just one of those things where you're like, why? It's just like, we were decorating for Christmas, which I've done a few things, and when I was on top of the cabinet, which let me show you what the cabinet looks like. I'll show you what everything else looks like when I'm done explaining this. But this is the cabinet, and yes, it's like a dresser cabinet, but my husband put it in here. He redid the living room, which is a mess right now. And yes, we do have a camo chair. But there was a shelf right here, and I didn't know the shelf wasn't stable, or it was like a shelf that actually comes out, and the TV was on top of it. And I was on, well, that's gonna get annoying right there, but I was standing on this and I had my hand on it right there, and I was putting stuff at the top, and I didn't realize that it was falling, and when it fell, you know, it just fell on the ground. It even put a hole in our floor. And it, at first I was like, maybe I didn't break it, like maybe it's still good. My husband's like, nope, it's gone, like it's broken, like we gotta get a new one. And like the front was shattered. I didn't take a picture of it because my husband, he would have really hated it if I stopped him and said, wait, let me take a picture. He would have been like, are you serious? Like, ooh. So I didn't want to anger him by telling him to stop for me to film for content. Because he was just like, let me just go to the store. We can just take a breather, take a break. Everybody get their stuff together. So when we come back, we can all just enjoy our new TV and decorate. Which I wonder if my husband, in the back of his head, he's thinking like, cool, we get a new TV. But I'm pretty sure he's kind of like mad because he has to go and do something now. Like he has to actually like get out of the house when he was planning on staying in the house. But I cried and he said it was fine. His worry was that it could have fallen on Ellie, because Ellie was right next to the TV. Like, she was over here in the corner on the ground playing with nutcrackers, and it fell like literally the hole right there, and my daughter was right there. So if she would have been over just a few more, like just a foot or two, she would have been gone. Like, she would have been wiped out completely. We would have to gone to the hospital. No, I don't film hospital trips because this is not a family vlog channel, but that would have been bad. But I wanted to talk about that before my husband got home so we can just enjoy our new TV and move on with the night. But yeah, I wanted to film because we are decorating for Christmas, but I had to explain that part and explain why I look like this. So anywhoosies, I wanted to show y'all, so this little thing, if y'all didn't watch the last videos, this was in that corner, or before my husband rearranged the living room. This was over in the corner. These toys were all over here, but my husband made it to where it's like a little play area back here, which I 100% like, but now I feel like it's empty over here. But I put some stockings right there and an advent calendar thing right here. And then this over here, this is like a square little table cover, but it works perfectly with this corner table right here. And I got some nutcrackers on it. So these nutcrackers were all given, sorry, potty chair right there. But these nutcrackers were all given to me. And then I got this little village that I'm trying to set up. So once I set that up, I'll show y'all. And then had this little Santa wax warmer thing over there. And then of course we got a polar bear and two Santa Claus over there with the creepy dolls. or a Santa Claus there. I think I was putting the Santa Claus up and never got to it because I fell. Or not fall, the TV fell. So my husband's here and I'll show y'all what it looks like when we're all done. So yeah.
The angel, come here. Come over here. Come here. Let's put the McDonald's down for a minute. Come on, put your pinch back down. Alright, you gonna help Daddy? You ready?
Uh-huh.
Come on, you gotta help Daddy. We gotta put, come on. Let me put it on here.
You gotta turn on the lights.
Hang on. Yeah, there you go. Daddy's got to turn on the Christmas tree, okay?
You tell Daddy, say 3. You're gonna count down.
2.
1.
Yay!
All right. Say good job, Daddy.
Good job.
You did a good job.
Yeah, the bottom of the tree is definitely much brighter, but
Hey.
okay, now I'm super tired. Decorated the house. I'm gonna clean up just a few things in the morning, but I'm super excited it is done. I still want to clean up this little shelf right here. Just want to clean up just a little bit. Just want to reorganize over here and just reorganize the living room because obviously there's still a bunch of stuff hanging out. But it's just comfy, cozy. I like how tight it feels in the house. I like how, you know, cozy it feels. I don't like it when everything's spread out. I told Josh, I'm like, I feel like it's all spread out. There's no cohesiveness. There's no way to feel like we're all huddled or cuddled together without being cuddled together. You know what I mean? But I like how we have a little TV entertainment center that I could put stuff on top of and everything. So it's exactly what I wanted. I just couldn't picture in my head. I'm really bad at rearranging furniture, and my husband obviously good at it. So I'm just so glad it is reorganized. We forgot to put on this. Let's put the skirt on. All right, now it's a Christmas tree. Ooh, it's so pretty. And we got the garland. It's such a pretty Christmas tree. This is what the Barbies see out of their window. Giant Christmas tree. Just imagine being a Barbie in a house and all you see is this. It's a little Barbie house. Barbie house view. The view from their living room.
Mama, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Getting a view of the Christmas tree in the Barbie house.